But have you ever been in a job interview and felt your mind go completely blank when they ask, "Tell me about yourself"? Or maybe you start rambling, talking about everything from your first pet to your favorite pizza topping. Trust me, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's a simple, effective way to answer this question? And the classic, "Why do you want to work here?" That will leave the interviewer impressed every single time. Stick around, because today we breaking down how to craft the perfect interview answers that will land you your dream job. Let's start with the big one. Tell me about yourself. This isn't an invitation to share your life story. It's a professional introduction. Think of it as your 60-second highlight reel. A great way to structure your answer is using the present, past, future formula. First, start with your present situation. What's your current role and a recent accomplishment? For example, you could say, "I am currently a marketing coordinator, where I recently led a social media campaign that increased our engagement by 25%. See, straight to the point and impressive. Next, connect it to your past. Briefly mention your relevant experience and how it prepared you for this moment. Something like, "Before this, I spent 2 years in a junior marketing role, which gave me a solid foundation in content creation and data analysis." This shows a clear progression in your career. Finally, pivot to the future. This is where you connect your story directly to the job you're interviewing for. You can say, "I am really excited about this senior marketing manager position because I want to take on more strategic responsibilities and use my skills to drive even bigger results, which I know is a key focus for your team." Boom. In under a minute, you've shown who you are, what you've done, and why you're the perfect fit. Now, let us tackle the second crucial question. Why do you want to work for our company? A generic answer like "you're a great company" just won't cut it. You need to show you've done your homework. This is your chance to demonstrate genuine interest and alignment with their mission. Your answer should have 2 key parts. First, talk about the company itself. What specifically impresses you? Is it their innovative products, their company culture, their commitment to sustainability? Go to their website, read their mission statement, check out their recent news. For instance, you could say, "I've been following your company for a while, and I'm incredibly impressed by your commitment to using sustainable materials. Your recent Green Future initiative really resonates with my personal values." This shows you're not just looking for any job, you're looking for a job with them. The second part of your answer is to connect your skills and aspirations to their needs. How can you contribute to their success? This is where you sell yourself. Following the previous example, you could add, "With my background in supply chain management and my passion for sustainability, I am confident I can help streamline your processes and contribute to the Green Future Project's goals. I'm eager to be part of a team that's making a real-world impact." This answer is powerful because it's not just about what you want, it's about what you can give. It shows you're a proactive problem solver who is ready to contribute from day one. So, to recap, for "Tell me about yourself," use the present, past future formula to create a concise and compelling narrative for why this company. Research them deeply, express genuine admiration for something specific, and then clearly connect your own skills to their goals. Mastering these two answers will not only boost your confidence, but will also make you a memorable candidate. Interviewing is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice. So take these tips, write down your own answers, and practice them until they feel natural. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more career tips to help you succeed. Let me know in the comments which interview question you find the trickiest. See you in the next video.